Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today. The 2025 NCR M16 is a beast of a machine, engineered for performance enthusiasts who crave speed, agility, and cutting-edge technology. Built on a foundation of high-end materials and Italian craftsmanship, the M16 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power and precision. Lightweight carbon fiber frame. One of the standout features of the 2025 NCR M16 is its full carbon fiber frame. Weighing in at an astonishingly low 145 kilograms, this bike offers an unmatched power-to-weight ratio. The lightweight construction enhances maneuverability, allowing riders to carve through corners with pinpoint accuracy. NCR has spared no expense in making this bike as light and aerodynamic as possible, ensuring maximum efficiency on the road and track. Unleashing the power. Underneath its sleek exterior, the NCR M16 is powered by a heavily modified Ducati Mercedes IR engine. This 998 cubic centimeters V4 powerhouse has been fine-tuned to deliver over 200 horsepower, ensuring blistering acceleration and top-end speed. Coupled with a race-inspired exhaust system, the M16 produces an aggressive roar that matches its incredible performance. Whether you're launching from a standstill or pushing through high-speed straights, this bike delivers relentless power and adrenaline-pumping performance. Cutting-edge electronics and suspension. Technology plays a crucial role in the M16's ride quality. The bike features a state-of-the-art electronic suite, including traction control, multiple riding modes, and advanced ABS to ensure maximum stability and safety. The Öhlins suspension system, fully adjustable for both front and rear, provides an unparalleled riding experience, absorbing bumps effortlessly while keeping the bike planted through every turn. Exclusive and expensive. With high-end engineering comes exclusivity. The 2025 NCR M16 is a limited production model, with only a handful being made available to the public. The premium materials and high-performance components contribute to its hefty price tag, making it a machine for elite riders who demand nothing but the best. Final thoughts. The NCR M16 is a masterpiece of motorcycle engineering, combining raw power, precision handling, and advanced technology into one exhilarating package. For those fortunate enough to own one, this bike represents the pinnacle of speed and innovation. Stay tuned to Turbo Rider for more reviews on the latest high-performance machines. Ride fast, ride safe.